Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Tydery, and today I am making some pajama pants for two of my nephews and my niece. Y'all, I had a house full. So I had four kids, three extra, including my own. And oh, they were so loud. So anytime you see me yelling or talking, I'm actually yelling because they were being so loud over in the front. But yeah, I decided to make them some pajama pants because I know it's about to get cold. No, I did not know it was about to start snowing because we got snow that day. It started to sprinkle snow, and the next day it was at least 2-3 inches of snow on our cars. So yeah, also in this video I am using a new camera. So this is the Odro M3. I like this camera a lot, and I was like, oh my gosh, the view is really good. Now the sound on the Odro, at first, well, the sound on the Odro is no good. Now I'm gonna do a full review, not on just on this video, and I'm not repeating any of this. I'm just talking. I press record and I'm gonna just go talk. But the Odro, I have the M5, the M3, 3M, however you say it. The sound, it doesn't have speakers on there, so you have to use a microphone. And I finally found a microphone that works, but it still didn't bring the sound up because on the thing it does not have a speaker, which is very weird. But other than that, the view on this camera is very good. It does a 180, which is turning. But then they have another one, which is the Odro 5M, and that does the 360 spin. Excuse me, I didn't have that type of money, so I didn't get that one. So yeah, I like this camera. I like what it does. The view looks really good, and I was able to download the images and videos onto my laptop and edit them from there, or I can send it over to my phone and edit it from there. So yeah, I what's it called, Apple Apple, count your days, because yeah, now I don't have to use you for my footage. I actually have a pocket carrying camera, which I bought so many of those too, but that's gonna be in the review. Anywho, so yeah, y'all, this is all I'm doing. I'm just making two little kids pajamas, and then I'm going to make one big one. I was supposed to make four, but one of my nieces was not here, so I said I'll just hold off on hers so I can get theirs done, and that's what I did. And y'all, listening back to this recording and me not editing it, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all should appreciate the times when I do edit them, because what the heck. Look at my nephew, he about to try to say hi. He was trying to get in the camera so bad because he kept on saying like, what's that moving? That's you, but that's you. And he kept on waving. It's like, okay, they can't see you, it's not a group of people, I'm not live. But he wanted y'all to see him say hi. But yeah, this editing thing, people should appreciate it a lot more, because look at me just do to do. Look at him waving. Hi. Hi, him, big cat. But yeah, like, y'all should appreciate the edit versions of when people create their content, because I know that we all is, editing out some things or repeating some things. And I get sick and tired of repeating. Okay, so I'm not gonna continue to keep putting voice messages over for voiceovers over this. So I'm going to just put some music on so that y'all don't have to keep hearing me ramble and stuff like that. Okay? Okay, so here I am working on my niece's pair of pajama pants. And when I was looking for the fabric, she was like, "Oh, Bubba, I like this fabric." And she was like, "Oh, can I have two fabrics?" And that just made me so happy that she wanted hers to be mismatched. And I was like, yes, girl, I could do that. So when I had made hers, I cut my other nieces out, so she can have mismatched as well. But oh yeah, look, I just thought about it. There was footage of me cutting the fabric out and whatever, like these ones, the girls ones, and I lost all that footage. But anywho, that's beside the point. But so I had cut them out, and when I had put them together, I didn't put them together right. She was like, "Bubba, I thought I was supposed to have the this one in the front and this one in the back." And I said, "Oh, I did mess it up." And she's like, "But I like this one better." And that made me feel so good. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hype me up if you see that hype me up button. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.